When it comes to us installing your new hyperfast full fibre home broadband, you might not know what to expect. But don't panic. Here's our step-by-step guide for fearless full fibre installations. The great news is all the groundwork on your street has already been done. So when our friendly engineers call, we simply need to understand your circumstances, and then we're all set for your booked half-day slot. We'll work with you to place your router and find 2 empty plug sockets nearby, and it's time to get you hooked up to full fibre. Firstly, we install a box on the outside of your house. To run our hyperfast full fibre into your home, we drill a small hole and run the fibre connection to another discrete box inside. It's all done with minimal mess or disruption, and we always leave everything looking spick and span. And we won't leave until you're connected and basking in our phenomenal full fibre. It's really that simple. Welcome to full fibre honestly. Welcome to Giganet.